Employee-owned. This isn't just another slogan. It isn't a meaningless phrase. It is a movement. It is the belief that we will be bigger and better tomorrow by the work we do today. We dominate because together, we are so much more. We are builders. Yes, we build windows, but more importantly, we build people. We build powerful relationships wherever we go. We are career builders. We are builders of the future. We are obsessed. We are obsessed in creating a culture where both our people and customers become family. We obsess over quality to drive results, securing the future for our employee owners. We are obsessed with ownership. We are empowered. We are empowered to own our decisions, to innovate for the future, to take risks, and ask the questions that no one else will. We are empowered to lead the way. We are investors. We invest in our people so they can build a foundation for a stronger future. We give back, knowing it's an investment in our communities. Safety is an investment we refuse to compromise on, because we invest in more than a business. We invest in each other. We are limitless. We are limitless in our potential. Being an owner comes with endless opportunities. Our growth is infinite. We are visionaries. We are made up of drivers, influencers, supporters, and curious minds. We are experts in what we do, and together, we envision a future where Centra dominates. We are owners. We are Centra.